I got the fit to match the custom build today. Let's go check it out. We got a 2024 3-liter Duramax ZR2 custom build. Super stoked about this one because I don't think another dealership has done a custom build on a ZR2. I don't think anyone's done this. So we got the color match badge here. Usually on ZR2s, the inside of this like cutout Chevrolet logo would be red. We blocked it out for you just to go along with the look, but that's the least of our concerns here. We got a 3.5-inch zone level kit on this, 22-inch fuel rims, 35-inch rubber on it. It looks mean. Rock guarded wheel wells, as well as the high clearance step boards on this. So this thing's ready to tear up some trails. Coming around back, blacked out badges, blacked out bow ties. This one's got the multi-flex tailgate on it. There we go. Goes down like so. With this leveling kit, you're gonna need this little step up. If you're like me, only 6'4", it's still quite a highway up there. You got your little cup holders here. You got a nice little bench. Super cozy, super comfy. You can see the whole lot from up here. Full box liner. You got the rear slider. So if you got pets in the back or something, you can just have them hang out, have a good time. Go into the interior. Unique to the ZR2s, you got that yellow stitch with the two-tone gray leather interior here. If we fire it up, you're gonna see this thing's totally decked out. She got the sunroof, she got the tech pack with the camera rear view mirror. Cool couple features here. You can change your brightness on it. You can also zoom in or zoom out if you want to see more or less. You got vented seats, you got heated seats, you got wireless charging, you got dual climate control, you got front and rear diff locking settings here. Another cool feature with the ZR2s, as well as that multi-matic suspension. This is a beautiful, beautiful truck. You guys got to see it in person. The camera may do it justice, but I'm telling you, you got to see this thing in person. Come down to Shore Park Chevrolet and ask for Braden. I'll be able to hook you up. See you in a bit.